Hi everyone, this is Miss Kathy. I am going to be teaching you how to use Kami today. So first, if you have any questions or you're not sure how to download Kami or really what Kami is, I highly suggest you check out this YouTube video. You can either find it under the Explore Math, the first assignment, and you can click this link, or if you go under announcements, it will have that same YouTube video available as well to view. So I already have Kami installed on my computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this Explore Math PDF so I can download it, which is right here. And what I'm going to do next is I am actually going to download it and I'm going to save it on a file, or I'm going to save it on my desktop so I can easily get to it. And we're going to go ahead and do that. And now what I'm going to do is I already have my Kami extension pulled up. You can do this by clicking this awesome, looks like little puzzle piece or paintbrush, whichever. You can click there and you see this is where my Kami extension for Google Chrome is present. You just double click on that and that's what will bring you to this. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open from computer and I am going to select my file and click open. And this is how you are going to open up your file in Kami. So now we're going to get through the fun part. So I'm going to scroll further down to the Where Am I part of our assignment. Now, as you can see on Kami, we have a bunch of different options. If you're not quite sure what a word means, you can click on the dictionary and it'll help you out. Or if you want it to read to you or you want to read to Kami so you can have it type out for you, you can do the text to speech feature. And then we have this markup. So as you can see, it does a highlighter, a box highlighter, strike through in case you don't like something, underline it, and here are the bunch of different colors that you can use for your highlighter. So you would use this in case of an assignment where you're trying to go through and read something you need to remember. This is an amazing way to do it. Comment, any place that you need to write a comment on so you remember. You can text it, or you can record your voice. You can record yourself. So this would be, instead of taking a video of yourself on your phone for one of your assignments that you need to upload, you can actually click this camera and it will record for you. And then you can save it, which I'll show you how to do later, and upload that way. Plus, you also have a screen capture. So that's kind of like when you're taking a picture on your cell phone and you're just doing the clicks. So you're just pressing the buttons on your screen, on your camera. So, and then we got the same colors. Text. So this is something really awesome to do when you have assignments that you need to write into. It is a box that starts right here and you can just type in. And as you can see, it saves. And then if you want to delete it, you can just click that and it deletes it. You have an assignment that you need to do. You can insert any of the symbols on here. So if you ever need to do any of your math assignments, there you go. You want to do any of your drawing. So for this example, number 4, that person is behind. Well, I've got to select the person that is behind. I kind of want to make my line a bit thicker, and I think I want to use the blue. So I'm going to do that, and I am going to circle that person. So that is how you're going to use drawing. Shapes, in case you ever want to enter any shapes into your assignments, this is going to be the best way to do it. So you can actually use a circle instead of circling yourself. So the first number, well, in this case, our first number is the number 2. So you can just use the circle or any of the shapes you want to do that. And I'm not really liking my blue. Let's just go ahead and erase that. So I took care of that whole eraser. And I'm not really liking that circle either. Let's get rid of that. So let's see. Oops, there we go. And then if you want to insert an image on any of your homework, you can do it through here. And signature is if you need to upload a signature, which we shouldn't have to do. So in this case, I'm going to go back to drawing because that just seems like fun. So I'm going to go ahead and do this assignment really fast. Let's go. That's the number 2 in between last number. Okay. You know what? I'm going to say this one. That lady is the last person. And we'll say this boy is in between. So now here's what we're going to do. Now it automatically saves it for me, so I don't have to worry about this. In case I ever accidentally exit out of something and need to go back in, it's already taken care of. I see something that I didn't want to do, I can always click undo. And if I realize I need to open up a file again, there we go. And then if I want to share my document, print, save it, download it, and you have any questions. So here's also another way that you can change how you view it. So in this case, the details of the assignment were to save it as a PDF. So we're going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and save it to my Google Drive. And if you do original, no annotations, that means it's just going to be the blank sheet. There's going to be nothing added on there. So if you want to save it with all of the work that you've done, make sure you always click all annotations. And then if you want to change the file name, you can, and you click begin export. Now, some of these assignments, you will see a submit button that'll be right up here. If you click submit, it'll automatically upload the file to your Canvas, to your teacher and to Canvas. And that is how you will take care of submitting your assignment that way. So Kami is really easy. It's a really fun program to use, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. So if you run into any problems or any questions, let me know. Otherwise, can't wait to see what you guys come up with in all of your assignments. Have a great day. Bye.